Writing a Lewis symbol for an ion is almost exactly the same as writing a Lewis symbol for that element. The only difference is that you have to take into account the removal or the addition of electrons to make a cation or anion, respectively. As an example, we can look at the nitrogen 3- ion. What we can do to write the Lewis symbol for the nitrogen 3- ion is first we find the number of electrons in the nitrogen atom. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 valence electrons in these specific groups, and it indicates that nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, 2 in the S subshell and 3 in the P subshell. But nitrogen 3- is not nitrogen. It is nitrogen with an additional 3 electrons. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. So the symbol for nitrogen 3- is nitrogen with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons around it. And then to indicate that it's an ion, we draw a square bracket on either side, and we write the charge in the upper right-hand corner. If we wanted to write the symbol for a positive ion, say the sodium plus ion, we would look at sodium atom. Sodium atom would have a single dot around the symbol, sodium with a single valence electron. So what we do is we say, if this is sodium atom, sodium ion has that 1 electron removed, so there are no more valence electrons. And again, we put the square brackets in the charge. Something a little more complicated would be something like the Mn2+ ion. Manganese is one of the D block elements, and we have to remember that the D electrons are not valence electrons, so they don't get included in the Lewis symbol, which means the valence electrons for manganese are the S electrons. So the Lewis symbol for manganese would be Mn with 2 dots representing the 2 S electrons, which means the symbol for manganese 2+, where 2 electrons have been removed, is simply Mn with the square brackets and the 2+ charge.